Shadow Ops 3. Let's see what we got. Dark Storm, Nova, a couple of Sentries, a couple of Lancers, a couple of Overseers, Cerberus, Nick. We got some Escorts just for the heck of it. We got a couple of Ogres to finish up. Let's go in and see what happens. First step, Chopper Company. Let's get Chopper Company in here. Chopper Company will open the front to make it a little bit easier. We'll use a couple of missiles. No sense taking damage from the hunters. All right, let's make this happen. There they go. There they go. Take them out. Got to move in a little bit more. He's not close enough. Take them out. Let's take out the other one. All right, let's take out the towers. Let's go do the same thing on the other side. Get in position, send in a couple of missiles, shock missiles. And let's clear that bad turkey right out. Okay, you're good enough. Let's shock these hunters. All right, let's move our Chopper Company in place. Take out the turrets for me. There you go. Take out the other one. Take out the other one. All right, let's start taking out turrets. Okay, let's get this guy out of here before he takes any damage. And let's bring in the Nicktoon. Take your time, be careful. When I'm not careful, I get damage. When I'm careful, I get very little. Oh, I'm also using Electric Op, which helps a little bit. Don't be in a hurry, just take your time. Get our Darkstorm in place so that dice doesn't shoot. Get our Nick in place so that he takes that out. Once he gets shocked, he won't shoot you. That's why I use the shock op right there. It's the only reason I use the shock, to shock the rails. All right, let's go get the other side. I say just take your time. Don't be in a hurry. And 70 is pretty easy. All right, now we'll go over here with our Nick and with our Serb. Nick's okay. Get the Serb in place where he takes the bullets from the tower. Okay, good enough right there. Now Nick will come in. Sometimes he gets shocked, sometimes he doesn't. If he doesn't get shocked, we're going out. Okay, he's shocked. That was easier. Sometimes he doesn't get shocked. If he doesn't get shocked, then I just send in my escorts. But now I don't need to send it. So times are running out, so we'll start over. But we're basically just going to send them back in, and they'll clear the base. They can't clear it in 32 seconds. But if either one of the rails don't get shocked, don't attack them. Let the escorts do it. All right. That's it. This base is over. We just got to kill. And these things just take a lot of shots. So we're just going to get in position and kill them. And you start getting parts for your shadow ops, but you also get weapons for your ogre. You know what we're going to do? We're going to take these guys. You can do it that way. I'm going to do it a different way. We're going to retreat these guys. Okay, retreat. Hello. Get out of there. We're going to try it with some ogres. See if they're a little faster. Those guys take forever. Come on. Get out of there. All right. Let's try 7 ogres. See how they do. See if they can do a little faster. As you can see, the ogres do more damage more quickly, so they'll clear the base faster for you. It's boring, but it's how you can get your weapons for your ogre, and it's how you can get your parts for whatever shadow op that they're offering. Okay, that's it. Let's see what we get. Oh, we just got some parts. So we get that. And as you'll see, there's very, very little damage. As long as you're careful, you can repeat this as many times as you want. Get all the extra pieces you need for weapons. And the more often you do it, the more weapons you get. I think this is the third time I'm going through. I usually go through about 3 or 4 times each week just to get a ton of weapons. All right. Let's see what we got here. Ogres, nothing. Sharper Company, nothing. 8 seconds. Who got damage? Nick got a little bit of damage. 8 seconds. Think you can live with 8 seconds? I think you probably can. That's it. Okay, we're done.